The production of electronics manufacturing services (EMS) capacity has been incorporated by TVS Electronics Limited at Tumakuru, Karnataka. The introduction of a state-of-the-art surface mount technology (SMT) line that is poised to revolutionize standards in precision and flexibility has been planned as the keystone for this expansion. This SMT line demonstrates TVS Electronics' commitment to staying on the technological breakthroughs in order to fulfill the demands of today's electronic products. This extensive ecosystem enables TVS Electronics to meet a wide range of manufacturing demands, including design upgrades, warranty services, and repair solutions. According to the Chief Business Officer of TVS Electronics, the Electronics Manufacturing Services (EMS) facility, equipped with SMT technology, exemplifies TVS Electronics' commitment to enhancing manufacturing capabilities while fostering employee innovation. In addition to its advanced manufacturing capabilities, the factory demonstrates TVS Electronics' dedication to sustainability. The manufacturing plant uses power from a 400 kV solar plant, proving the company's dedication to ethical production processes and reducing its environmental impact.